Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, look. Today our topic is Exercise 4.1, Creative Questions 21 and 22. Lecture Nong 37, H0 Nong 22. Student, look. At first, we will read the question Nong 21. Look, P equal to x power a, Q equal to x power b, and R equal to x power c. One number, find the value of P power bc into Q power minus ca. Okay, so at first I will solve question Nong 1a. Okay, 1. Given P equal to what? X power a and Q equal to what? X power b. Now we have to determine the value of P power bc into Q power minus ca. Okay, now put the value P equal to what? X power a, then bc, then Q equal to what? X power b minus ca. You know, A is the bc, A is the power and BC is the power, minus C is the power and B is the power. So we know for the exponentials, power and power always multiplication. Then x power what? A, B, C. Then x power minus A, B, C. Okay? Therefore, you see, basis same, then power will be what? Addition. Then x power a, b, c, here minus and that plus minus a, b, c. Now x power 0, abc minus abc, that means 0. Then x power 0 equal to what? 1. Okay, student, I hope you understood. You see again, p equal to what? X power a, BC into Q means what? X power B, power minus C. Then x power with power multiplication, so x power A into BC, that means ABC, into x power B into minus C, that means minus ABC. Then basis same, then power will be what? Addition, and relation is multiplication. Remember, basis same and the relation is multiplication. For that case the power will be addition, but there is minus, so plus and this minus is minus, so we will get x power ABC minus ABC. Okay, ABC minus ABC equal to what? 0. Then x power 0, we know x power 0 equal to 1. This is the answer. Okay, student. Now question number 2. See, find the value of, please see the question, find the value of P by Q power A plus B into Q by R power of B plus C division to RP power A minus C. Okay, now let's solve. Given P equal to X power A, Q equal to X power B and R equal to X power C. Now P by Q, A plus B into Q by R, B plus C division to RP power A minus C. Now put the value. P means what? X power A, and Q means what? X power B, then A plus B into Q means X power B, then X power C, then B plus C division to R means what? X power C, and P means x power A. Power is A minus C. Now basis same, then power will be subtraction, and this is the relation of division. So x power A minus B, then A plus B into x power B minus C, power is B plus C. Again division 2 power a plus c, then a minus c. Now power with power multiplication, then a minus b into a plus b, then x power b minus c into b plus c. X power a minus b into a plus b. Similarly, x power b minus c into b plus c, division to x power a plus c into a minus c. Now x power a square minus b square, this is the formula, and x power b square minus c square, division to x power a square minus c square. This is the multiplication or multiplication. Now see, x power a square minus b square plus b square minus c square, division 2 power x a square minus c square. Now minus b square plus b square vanish, then x power a square minus c square, then as this is division, so you can write 2 power x a square minus c square. Then this is equal to what? X power a square minus c square. Basis is same and relation is division, so minus a square minus plus c square, then 2. Look, minus a square plus a square minus c square vanish, then minus c square plus c square vanish, then x power 0 by 2. X power 0 means 1 by 2. Okay student, this is the answer. Okay student, now I will solve question number 3. Okay, of question number 2. Look, given that p equal to x power a, q equal to x power b, r equal to x power c. Now we have to show that p by q power a square plus ab plus b square into q by r power b square plus bc plus c square into r by p power c square plus ac plus a square. This is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. We have to prove that. So I have written here the left hand side. This is the left hand side. Now if we capable that the value of this expression is 1, then we say our solution is verified or result is got. Look, p equal to what? P equal to x power a by q equal to x power b a square plus ab plus b square into q means what? X power b by x power c b square bc plus c square. Then r means what? X power c by x power a power c square plus ac plus a square. Student, look here. P means x power a, q means x power b. A square plus ab plus b square remain same. This is the multiplication. Q means x power b, r means x power c, b square plus bc plus c square remaining same. R means what? X power c, and p means x power a, then power is c square plus ac plus a square. Okay, now look, basis same, and the relation is division, so power will be minus, then a minus b, this is minus a square plus ab plus b square, then x power b minus c, then power is b square bc plus c square, then x power c minus a c square AC plus A square. Now this is the power and this is the power, so power and power will be multiplication. Then x power A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square, then x power B minus C into B square BC plus C square, then x power C minus A into C square AC plus A square. Student, look, A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square, this is the formula. Okay, this is the factorization formula, and this can be written as x power A cube minus B cube. Okay, similarly x power B cube minus C cube. Okay, x power B cube minus C cube. Then what? X power C cube minus A cube. Okay, student, look, C minus A into C square plus AC plus A square. This is equal to what? C cube minus A cube. And this is equal to B cube minus C cube, and this is equal to A cube minus B cube. Then basis same, relation is multiplication, so power will be addition. That means A cube minus B cube, B cube minus C cube plus C cube minus A cube. Look, minus B cube and plus B cube vanish, minus C cube plus C cube vanish, plus A cube and A cube vanish. Then we got x power 0. We know x power 0 equal to what? 1. Okay, student, that means this is the right hand side. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side. According to the questions I have written shown. Okay, student, I hope you understood. Now I will solve question number 22. Question number 22. Student, look, x equal to 2a inverse 1 plus 3b inverse 1. 3b inverse 1 whole to the power minus 1. That means inverse. This is minus 1. Y equal to xp by x cube power p cube, x cube by xr whole to the power qr. That means 1 by qr. This means 1 by qr. This means 1 by p cube. Okay. Rp x r by xp, that means actually this means 1 by rp. Okay, like square root. And z equal to what? Z equal to 5 power m plus 1 divided by 5 power m into m minus 1 division 25 m plus 1 by 5 m minus 1 into m plus 1. Okay, where x, p, q are greater than 0. Okay, student, look at first question 1. Given x equal to what? 2a inverse 1 plus 3b inverse 1. Now this is equal to what? 2 by a, and this is equal to what? 3 by a, 3 by b whole to the power minus 1. That means this. Now 2 by a plus 3 by b whole to the power minus 1. Then LCM is ab. Divide AB by A, then we get what? B. That means 2B plus then A. Now this inverse, if we then we get AB by 2B plus 3A. Okay, student, and this is the answer. Look, student, 2 by A plus 3 by B inverse 1 inverse 1. LCM of A and B is AB. Divide AB by A, then you get B. B into 2, that means 2B plus divide AB by B, then you get A. A into 3, that means 3A. AB. Denominator is AB. Then this is inverse 1. That means we have to write it conversely. That means AB by 2B plus 3A. This is the answer. Student, now I will solve question number 2. Show that y plus, please was the question number 2. Show that y plus 81 power 1 by 4 equal to 4. Student, in your question there is written here 3, but that was mistake. You have to put there 4. Okay, you have to put there 4. Question number 3. Show that y division z equal to 25. Okay. Question number 2. Look here. Y equal to xp by xq square pq, xq by xr power 1 by qr, xr by xp whole to the power 1 by rp. This means whole to the power 1 by rp. This means whole to the power 1 by qr. This means whole to the power 1 by pq. Look, xp and xq, that means basis same and power will be what? Subtraction. As this is the relation is division, we know that means xp minus q and power will be 1 by pq. Then x power q minus r 1 by qr. Then x power r minus p 1 by rp. Student, look here. pq x p by xq. This means I told whole to the power 1 by pq. X power p minus q. This means x power p minus q power 1 by pq. xq minus x r, that means q minus r, basis same, relation is division. So we can write x power q minus r, and this can be written as 1 by qr into x power r minus p into 1 by rp. Now this is the power and 1 by pq, this is the power, so this will be multiplication. Then x power pq by pq, x power q minus r by qr, x power r minus p by r. p minus q by pq, x power q minus r by qr, x power r minus p by r. Now look, basis same, then power will be what? Power will be addition. That means p minus q by pq plus q minus r by qr plus r minus p by rp. x, this is the basis and this is the power. Look, pq, qr, rp. The LCM of this denominator is pqr. pqr. Okay. You divide pqr by pq, then get what? R. So multiply r with p minus q. That means pr qr. Similarly, divide pqr by qr, then you get what? Q and r remaining, then p. P is the remaining, then pq pr. Then rp here, divide pqr by rp, then you get what? Q. Q into r, that means qr. Q into p, that means pq. Student, look, divide pqr by pq, then you get what? R. R into p, that means pr. R into q, that means qr or rq. Plus divide pqr by qr, then you get what? P. P into q, that means pq, into minus pr. Plus divide pqr by rp, then you get what? Q. Q into r, that means qr, minus q into p, that means pq. Now look, plus pq and minus pq vanish. minus PR and plus PR, minus QR and plus QR vanish. Then we get what? X power 0 by PQR. That means what? X power any power. That means x power 0. 0 means what? 1. Okay, student. X power 0. That means 1. Now, left hand side. Right here, left hand side. Left hand side. Y plus 81 power 4. This is power 4. Student, we have got y equal to what? Capital letter Y. Y equal to what? 1. Put here 1. 81, we can write like this way, 3 power 4, and this means 1 by 4. That means 1 plus power with power, that means multiplication, that means 4 into 1 by 4, and 1 plus 3. 4 go finish, then 3. That means 3 plus 1 equal to 4. This is the right hand side. Okay, student, now write left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay, student, I hope you understood question number 2. That means 22 of question number 2. Okay, student, look here, 81. If you write 3 power 4 means what? 3 power 4 means what? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means 8. That means 81. 3 3 is 9. 3 is 9. That means 81. This can be written as 3 power 4. Okay. So I have written 3 power 4. And this means what? 1 by power 4. Now y equal to what? 1. 1 plus 3 power with power, that means multiplication. Now 4 and 4 this vanish. 4 and 4 you can reduce. Then 1 plus 3 power 1. 3 power 1, that means 3. Now 3 plus 1 equal to what? 4. And this is the right hand side. That is 4 is the right hand side. Now we can write left hand side equal to right hand side. This is shown. Student, see the question number 3 of question number 22. Show that y division z equal to what? 25. Y division z equal to what? 25. Okay, student, look, 3 from 2 we got. From 2 we got what? Y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. Okay. From 2 we got y equal to 1. Student, please at first see the question. Show that y division z equal to 25. Y division z equal to 25. We have to prove this. Y division z equal to 25. Okay? Okay, student. Now look. Please look at the solution. From 2 we have got y equal to 1. Now, right here z equal to what? 5 power m plus 1 by 5 power m or m minus 1 division 25 power m plus 1 divided by 5 power m minus 1 division m plus 1. Look, 5 power m plus 1, then basis same, power is power with power multiplication, that means m square minus m division 5 square m plus 1 by power with power multiplication, that means m square minus 1. 5 power m plus 1, 5m into m, that means m square, m into minus 1, that means minus m division 25. We can write 5 square power m plus 1 power m plus 1, 5 power m minus 1 into power m plus 1, that means what? A plus b into a minus b, that means m square minus 1. Now look, 5 power m plus 1 minus m square plus m. Friend, look, 5 power m plus 1, 5 and 5, basis same and relation is division, so we can write minus m square plus m. Okay, then 5 2m plus 2 by what? 5 m square minus 1. Student, look here, 5 power m plus 1 divided by 5 m into m, that means m square minus m division 5 square, that means 25, 5 2m plus 2, then 5 m square minus 1, and here 5m plus 1 minus m square plus m, that means 5 m and m, 2m plus 1 minus m square division 2m plus 2 minus m square plus 1. 2m plus 2 minus m square plus 1. Okay, student. Then what? 5. You see, 5 power this and 5 power this. That means basis same. Then power will be what? Power will be subtraction, and relation is division. Okay, that means 2 power m plus 1 minus m square minus 2m minus 2 plus m square minus 1. Okay, student, 2m plus 1 minus m square minus 2m minus 2 plus m square minus 1. Look, minus m square plus m square vanish, plus 2m minus 2m vanish, minus 1 plus 1 vanish. Then what? 5 power minus 2. You see, minus 2 is the remaining. That means 1 by 5 square. That means what? 1 by 25. Okay, now write left hand side. Left hand side y division z. Y equal to what? Y equal to 1 division z. Z equal to what? We have got z equal to 1 by 25. 25 by 1, that means 25 is the right hand side. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay, student, I hope you understood this math. Student, now look, now I would like to talk with you about SW. Okay, look, you see question number 22. Please see question number 22, which is taken from your book, page number 86. Page number 86. And this question, that means 22 number question, is your SW. Okay, Question number 22. This question is your HW. Okay student, I hope you understood today's topic. Student, you have to submit this HW copy on every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM, and you back this HW copy on next Saturday. As student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.